state finals the year before. Yep. Okay. So I wrestled a guy from Missouri, Le'Veon Mays. He's pretty strong, and I was getting his arm on his back, but he was able to keep his base. Sometimes this happens where you get a strong opponent, and I do everything right, and I get his arm on his back, but I didn't get to break him down. Okay. You could just grab his ankle and break him flat, but this gets tighter if I do the same move from this position. So, everyone know how to duck walk? Duck walk? Okay, that's what I'm going to do on his body as I have this across. I'm going to duck walk on him to pinch, and that's allowing this knee to pinch his waist, and this other knee to pinch his elbow down. But I'm pushing into him. This allows me to get weight on him so he can't stand up. Now, as I roll, I'm going to just do the same exact mechanics. I'm going to fall on the side, take it through. This gets tighter because there's more. When he's flat on the mat, the mat stops his arm from going all the way under. So the mat stops it there. When he's on his base, his arm can go all the way underneath. I can push it way under. There's a lot of pressure on his shoulder. So this is for the strong guy. Get his arm on his back. Okay, and you're gonna duck walk on him for a second. Pinch my knees. I'm gonna reach through and claw. This takes a little bit, it's like a trust fall. Right? You're trusting yourself here. I'm gonna fall, I trust myself, get there, collect it, squeeze a little bit, get back one. Same exact move, just a little more advanced. Any questions there? I'll show it one more time, because pretty much the same thing. You good? Yeah. It is pretty tight. Partner, give a good reaction, make sure you're keeping your base well. So get his arm on his back, and I need to do this with my knees. I need to do this duck walk. It seems silly, but if my weight's back here, he can start to stand up, look at me and stuff. I need to put pressure forward on him. Here, he goes on top of his elbow, pull through. Here, same exact finish. Okay? Be a good partner, dummy guy. Ready, go.